E20 Petroleum is a mixture composed of 20% ethanol and 80% petrol, gasoline. Blending ethanol with petrol aims to improve fuel combustion efficiency. E20 fuel reduces the reliance on traditional fossil fuels. Ethanol's properties enhance fuel combustion, leading to improved engine performance. Ethanol, C2H-OH, is an alcohol produced through the fermentation of biomass sources. Common biomass sources for ethanol production include sugarcane, corn, and other plant-based materials. The fermentation process converts sugars from biomass into ethanol. Following fermentation, the ethanol is distilled to increase its concentration. The final step involves dehydrating the ethanol to remove water, making it suitable as a fuel additive. Ethanol functions as an oxygenate when blended with petrol, increasing the fuel mixture's oxygen content. Higher oxygen content in fuel facilitates more complete combustion within the engine. Complete combustion reduces emissions of harmful pollutants such as carbon monoxide. Ethanol as an oxygenate contributes to cleaner emissions and improved air quality. E20 fuel possesses a higher octane number compared to pure petrol. The elevated octane rating of E20 fuel enhances its resistance to engine knocking. E20 fuel facilitates smoother and more efficient engine operation. High compression engines particularly benefit from the enhanced properties of E20 fuel. Increased octane number leads to improved engine performance and reduced potential for engine damage. Ethanol contains approximately 30% less energy per volume compared to petrol. E20 fuel, a blend of ethanol and petrol, has a lower energy content than pure petrol. The reduced energy content of E20 fuel can result in a decrease in fuel efficiency or mileage. The energy density difference between ethanol and petrol directly impacts engine performance. Fuel efficiency is reduced due to the lower energy released during ethanol combustion. The volumetric energy content of fuel is a key factor in determining vehicle range. E20 fuel combustion produces fewer carbon monoxide (CO) emissions compared to pure petrol. E20 fuel combustion results in reduced hydrocarbon emissions relative to pure petrol. E20 fuel produces less particulate matter during combustion compared to pure gasoline. Cleaner combustion from E20 fuel contributes to reduced air pollution and lower greenhouse gas emissions. E20 fuel reduces a nation's reliance on imported crude oil by substituting petrol with domestically produced ethanol. The partial replacement of petrol with ethanol enhances energy security. Reduced dependence on imported oil decreases vulnerability to global oil market fluctuations. Domestic ethanol production provides a stable and reliable fuel source. Energy security is strengthened by diversifying fuel sources and reducing external dependencies. E20 fuel contributes to a more resilient and self-sufficient national energy infrastructure. E20 fuel's high octane rating enables more efficient engine designs. High compression engines benefit significantly from the high octane rating of E20 fuel. Engines using high octane E20 fuel can extract more power, enhancing overall vehicle performance. Efficient engine designs, facilitated by high octane fuel, improve overall vehicle performance. The use of E20 fuel with a high octane rating leads to improved engine efficiency and increased power output. High octane E20 fuel allows engines to extract more power from the fuel, leading to improved vehicle performance. Ethanol is a renewable resource, as it is derived from plants. The plant-based origin of ethanol contributes to its sustainability. Ethanol is biodegradable, meaning it can be broken down by natural processes. Biodegradability reduces the environmental impact of ethanol in case of spills or leaks. Natural processes facilitate the decomposition of ethanol into environmentally benign substances. The biodegradable nature of ethanol offers a significant advantage over non-biodegradable fuels. E20 fuel contains ethanol, which has a lower energy content than gasoline. Vehicles using E20 fuel may experience a reduction in fuel efficiency, typically in the range of 5–10%. The lower fuel efficiency of E20 means drivers may need to refuel more frequently. The reduced fuel efficiency associated with E20 use directly impacts the distance a vehicle can travel on a full tank. The need for more frequent refueling increases the overall cost of vehicle operation when using E20. Older vehicles not originally designed for ethanol blends may experience compatibility issues with E20 fuel. E20 fuel can cause corrosion of fuel pipes in older vehicles. Injectors in older vehicles can also corrode when using E20 fuel. Rubber and plastic seals in older vehicles are susceptible to damage from E20 fuel. E20 fuel compatibility issues can lead to fuel leaks and engine malfunctions in older vehicles. Using fuel additives or upgrading fuel system components can mitigate E20 compatibility issues in older vehicles. Large-scale ethanol production from crops can affect food supply and prices. Diverting agricultural resources to fuel production may reduce the availability of food crops. Reduced availability of food crops can lead to price increases. The conflict between food and fuel raises concerns about resource allocation and economic stability. Ethanol's hygroscopic nature leads to rapid water absorption from the surrounding environment. Water contamination in ethanol can cause corrosion in storage tanks and fuel systems. Specialized coatings are required to protect storage tanks from water-induced corrosion. Specific handling procedures are essential to minimize water contamination during ethanol storage and transport. Dehumidification systems are often used in storage facilities to control moisture levels. Regular monitoring of ethanol's water content is crucial for maintaining fuel quality. Ethanol is often considered a renewable fuel source. Ethanol production necessitates energy inputs, including tractors, fertilizers, and distillation. Inefficient management of these processes can diminish the overall emissions savings from E20 fuel. The carbon neutrality of E20 fuel is contingent on efficient energy management throughout its production life cycle. Ethanol production increases demand for crops such as sugarcane and maize. Increased crop demand translates to additional income opportunities for farmers. Ethanol production stimulates rural economies by creating new markets and jobs. The economic boost from ethanol production supports community development in rural areas. Government incentives and policies further enhance the economic benefits of ethanol production for farmers. E20 fuel offers advantages such as cleaner emissions, contributing to environmental benefits. The high octane rating of E20 fuel enhances engine performance and efficiency. E20 fuel production supports local economies by utilizing domestically produced ethanol. A disadvantage of E20 fuel is the potential for lower mileage compared to pure gasoline. Older vehicles may experience engine wear due to the increased ethanol content in E20 fuel.